Hi everyone, this is Jalissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this pretty glam marble tray. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you already haven't subscribed. And leave me a comment and let me know what you think.
DIY. I have this adhesive paper that you can use for really anything. I got this one from the Dollar Tree, and this one's from Walmart. So if you can't afford the one from Walmart, you can always go to Dollar Tree, or if you don't want to run to Walmart. This is from the Dollar Tree also, which is felt pads that are used for furniture. Then you want to get 3 of these 11 by 14 frames. These are handles, kind of like cabinet handles from Home Depot. We got 2 of them. Scissors, your glue for your glue gun. This little pendant came from Walmart. Your E6000, and then your spray paint from Walmart. Spray painting the frame, we took out the clear glass part and the picture and the back, and we're just spray painting the outside of the frame. Look right here. We want to get all the spots of it. And after this, we'll flip it upside down and we'll be doing the same thing. The glasses that were already in the mirror, we already glued 2 of them together, and we're gluing the last one. You want to use the E6000 for this. After the glasses have dried together, you're going to want to measure out for the adhesive paper the right size for your glass. We're doing the 11 by 14, and it's easy because it has the little squares on the back. After measuring out the size of the adhesive paper, we're just sticking it onto the glass, and it is easy to peel on and off, so if you just need to go back and redo it. And also you want to do it where you're getting rid of the bubbles as you get through the whole thing. And we left some of the paper on, so we're just peeling it off as we stick it on.
Didn't need to do that. And this is just like wrapping up this one.
I went back, redid this, and got rid of the bubbles, so now it looks like this. No bubbles. And that's how you want it to look. For the rim of the frame, you're going to want to take off these little metal tabs, which help keep the picture intact. You want to take them off of 2 of the frames that you got, and leave one of them on. Well, leave one of your frames with all the tabs.
Very easy to come on too.
Be careful with the frame when you are doing this if you're using frames from the Dollar Tree, because they are a little flimsy and you don't want it to crack while you're in the middle of doing this. So we're using the bottom frame, we're sticking this, well, the glass with the adhesive sticker, we're sticking it back in the frame, and you're gonna do it just like as if it was a picture. Cardboard from the back of the frame, you don't have to paint it, but we went ahead and painted it white, and we added the little felt little pads to it. Just adding the glue on another frame, which is the E6000. Yeah, we'll be doing all three of them together this way. And then when you're done, you want to put something on top to keep it down so it could dry in place and sturdy. And we'll be repeating this. What we're doing now is with the handle, after we've already glued our tray and set it up, these are the finishing touches, which is a little handle. We have two of them. You want to even them out so that they're at the same position. Little emblem, our little bedazzled emblem. Is that what it is?